If you think explosive strength and speed are only for younger people, I'm here to change that. You can absolutely stay strong, fast, and agile even in your 50s, 60s, and beyond with the right approach. In today's video, I'll guide you through a safe and effective plyometric workout plan specifically designed for people over 50. Make sure to stick around until the end, where I'll share a special tip to help boost your natural energy and vitality. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, bone density, balance, and reaction time. These changes can increase the risk of falls and injuries. However, by engaging in the right exercises, especially plyometrics, we can reverse some of these effects. Plyometric exercises involve quick, explosive movements that help maintain fast-twitch muscle fibers and improve neuromuscular coordination, both essential for staying strong and agile. Done safely, they enhance strength, agility, and balance, which are crucial for independence as you age. In today's workout, we'll focus on exercises that boost your explosive power while reducing injury risk and improving balance and coordination. These exercises will help you stay strong, agile, and safe as you age. Exercise 1. Step-up jumps. Let's start with a great lower body exercise, step-up jumps. The step-up jump is fantastic for developing explosiveness in the lower body. It targets the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, which are essential muscles for maintaining agility, especially when performing activities like walking, climbing stairs, or getting in and out of a car. To do this exercise, you'll need a sturdy platform, like a step or a box. Make sure it's about knee height or a bit lower. Start by stepping up with one leg, push through your heel, and then explode upward in a small hop. As you jump, focus on landing softly with control. Step down carefully and switch legs. Always maintain a tight core and keep your posture straight. Tips: if jumping feels too intense initially, start by just stepping up quickly and focus on speed and control. Over time, you can increase the intensity by adding more hops or by increasing the height of the platform. This exercise not only helps you build power, but also improves your balance and confidence in daily movements. Exercise 2. Explosive incline push UPS. Next, let's work on the upper body with explosive incline push UPS. Push-ups are a classic upper body exercise, but they can be difficult for those who are new to exercise or have joint issues. By using an incline, we take some pressure off the shoulders and wrists, making this a safer option. The goal is to still develop explosive power in your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Start by placing your hands on a sturdy surface, such as a bench or table. Lower your body into a push-up position, then explosively push upward, so that your hands slightly leave the surface. Lower yourself back down with control and reset for the next rep. Tips: keep your elbows close to your body and engage your core throughout the movement. If lifting your hands off a surface feels too challenging, simply focus on pushing up quickly and controlling the descent. This exercise builds strength in the upper body while also improving explosive power, which is crucial for quick, reactive movements. Exercise 3. Low-impact jump rope. Jumping rope may remind you of childhood, but it's one of the best cardiovascular exercises for adults, especially those over 50. Not only does it improve cardiovascular health, but it also enhances foot speed, balance, and coordination. For this exercise, grab a lightweight rope. Keep your elbows close to your sides, your wrists relaxed, and your jump small and controlled. The goal is not to jump high, but to stay light on your feet, focusing on quick, rhythmic movements. Start by jumping for short intervals, around 20 to 30 seconds, then gradually increase the duration as you build stamina. If you find jumping too intense, try simulating the jump rope motion without using a rope. Fun fact: just 10 minutes of moderate jump rope provides the same cardiovascular benefits as 30 minutes of jogging, but with much less impact on your joints. It's a low-impact but highly effective way to improve overall fitness and coordination. Exercise 4. Standing medicine ball chest pass. This next exercise is one of my favorites for total body strength and power. The standing medicine ball chest pass helps you build strength in your core, chest, and arms, while also improving your ability to transfer power through your body. which is essential for maintaining functional strength. Start with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding a light to medium medicine ball at chest height. Engage your core, slightly bend your knees, and explosively push the ball forward, as if you were passing it to a partner or a wall. Catch the ball and reset for the next rep. Tips: focus on using your legs and core to generate power, rather than just relying on your arms. This helps ensure your body moves as one unit, promoting functional strength. This exercise not only helps strengthen your upper body, but also enhances your ability to push, lift, and stabilize during everyday activities. Exercise 5. Squat to small jump. The squat to small jump is a modified version of the classic squat jump. This is a great exercise to build lower body power safely. It strengthens the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves while reducing the risk of joint strain, especially in the knees and lower back. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself into a squat position, making sure your weight is in your heels and your back is straight. From the bottom of the squat, perform a small jump, focusing on pushing through both legs. Land softly and bend your knees to absorb the impact. Then transition smoothly into the next repetition. Tips: start with small jumps and focus on landing as softly as possible. As you become stronger, you can increase the height of your jumps. This exercise helps build explosive strength while maintaining joint health and stability. Exercise 6. Battle rope waves. Finally, we have the battle rope waves. Battle ropes are an excellent tool for building upper body endurance, core strength, and grip strength, all of which are important for maintaining your independence and vitality as you age. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding one end of the rope in each hand. Slightly bend your knees and engage your core. Start creating smooth, alternating waves with the ropes. The key is to focus on rhythm and consistency, not maximum speed. Tips: start with intervals of 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase the time as you build endurance. Keep your core tight and your breathing steady throughout the movement. This exercise strengthens the shoulders, arms, and core while providing a full body workout that also boosts cardiovascular health. Weekly workout plan. To put these exercises into a structured plan, here's how you can organize your week. Day 1. Step-up jumps, 3 sets of 8 reps per leg. Explosive incline push UPS, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Low-impact jump rope, 3 rounds of 30 seconds. Day 2. Standing medicine ball chest pass, 4 sets of 6 reps. Squat to small jump, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Battle rope waves, 3 rounds of 20 to 30 seconds. Day 3. Active recovery day. Gentle mobility exercises, arm circles, hip openers. Dynamic stretching. Core work, planks, dead bugs, bird dogs. Day 4. Repeat day 1. Important notes. Always start your workouts with a warm-up. Do some light cardio and dynamic stretches to prepare your muscles and joints. Focus on form and control in every movement. Proper technique will reduce the risk of injury and help you get the most out of your workout. Listen to your body. It's okay to modify exercises or take breaks if needed. Rest is just as important as exercise. Stay hydrated, eat nutrient-rich foods, and prioritize good sleep to allow your body to recover. Consistency is key. Even small, consistent efforts can lead to impressive results over time. Final thoughts. Training for strength, speed, and agility after 50 is one of the best gifts you can give yourself. These exercises keep you fit, confident, and independent. It's never too late to regain your strength and energy. With the right mindset and routine, your body can do amazing things. To support your progress, we've partnered with top natural health experts to create 100% herbal products that naturally boost testosterone, support men's health, and promote lasting vitality. These formulas are designed to increase energy, support muscle strength, balance hormones, and help you feel strong and alive, just like you did in your 20s or 30s. Want to learn more? Check out the link in the description below. Thanks for letting me be a part of your journey. Stay strong, stay youthful, and I'll see you in the next video.